Alright guys, the refueling has just been done. It's time to fly back. Let's go!
Pam pam.
Okay, for me, engine 398, equal 6, special start approved 05.
Push it at the 205, set up with 398.
Okay guys, we are approved for push and start.
Can you release the brake?
Parking brake release, you may commence the push. Ground, just call me, then you're ready for engine start.
Okay, sir, you can start the engine sequence.
Sequence 2, then 1, starting number 2.
Okay, for start engine 2.
Alright. Start engine number 2, touch.
Start 7, touch. Start cut up.
Ground, both engines are good, you can disconnect. Thank you so much and a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Flaps 1 please.
Ушел спиной.
Before taxi passage. Checking flight controls.
Now the control, assalamu alaikum, for all good focus purposes at 337.
Be careful. Yeah, taxi checklist.
Generators on, drop heads on, anti-ice not required, air condition back, SOTA, isolation valve, auto, and restart switch continuous, recall.
Checked.
Check auto brake, anti-ice, RSL levers.
Oh, 10.
Transponder, L2 on, flight control.
Check.
Ground equipment.
Let's go.
Right side, weather system.
Yeah, Merry Christmas.
Ukraine International 398, ready for taxi.
From engine 308, holding point 05, center whiskey 1 here.
While Whiskey 1 and Sierra to holding point 05, Center Ukraine International 398.
Room speaker.
Last taxi please.
Right side clear.
That area is clear. Let's go.
Алло.
Kevin Security, взято готово.
Прекрасно, привет.
Bye.
Pam pam.
Tower Ukraine International 398.
Good morning, sir. Credit temperature 398, 3000, climb 3500 feet to the left, heading 330, please for takeoff.
Whenever on climb 3500 feet and left turn heading 330 Ukraine International 398 and we are cleared for takeoff 05. Final clear.
One sec born, switches schedule director 119 at 05.
1105 Ukraine International 398.
One last before takeoff, checklist, then ready.
APU.
Off.
Flaps.
One green light.
Stabilizer trim.
Stop trim 5.3 units check.
Cabin codification.
Complete.
Transponder.
TRA.
Weather radar GPS.
Let it be weather radar.
HPWS. Right.
SAS advanced change stable.
5149 stable.
Check.
And one
Reduce takeoff thrust.
Reduce takeoff thrust 886. Set. Normal. 80 knots.
Check. Get up. Heading 330 please.
330. Отработаю сразу.
Давай.
100 feet. Flight cross. Set.
Отлично.
Cairo Airport International 398. Just about passing 1400.
Running International 398 to Ultra, continue your radar contact, left heading 2.
flight level 110, left turn heading 290 to intercept radial 347 from Cairo Airport International 398.
Хорошо, я autopilot включил.
Check 347.
347, да, он сказал?
Да, 347 от Cairo, Cairo 115.
Oh,
1431, contact Tower 181.
heading 347.
181,
Flaps up. After the call, procedure and checklist.
Engine good. Вот, бакс, вот. Pressurization. Normal. Landing gear up and down, flaps up and lights, altimeter standard. Contact checklist fully completed.
Pam-pam.
Normal. Flaps one, please. Check, runway heading 356. Flaps 5. Approach mode, plus degree 3000 for miss approach. Gear down, please. Flaps 15. Flaps 30, please. Flying checklist, please.
Ukraine, the top to the most rotate runway to the
Arm green line. Down 2 minutes. Surgery green line. Complete. Let's go.
Покинет, называет флайт, экстрасса, двигается, называет флайт, браво,
Отключись.
Зero флайтик, отошел, стал, зero, дякую за помощь.
Надо сотового добавить. Check. Check. Green check.
1000. Green, the front 39 is traffic, Boeing 763 heavy behind you, suppression 5.6 now.
500. Check. Landing.
Minimums
Land.
200.
UT Green from 470, distance 5.6 miles from touchdown, continue out approach, runway 26
50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 5.
contact with 6.
Yana 215.
Net 15, Sierra 31, ready for.
Yana
215, to work taken south and split up approved.
We're now in Boryspil Airport. There is Embraer taxiing for takeoff. And yeah, was fantastic flight. So as usual, follow the awesome guide checklist first. Just like this video and then subscribe to my channel. After that, ring the bell, whatever it means. Thank you very much for watching this video and have a great time.
Pam pam.